Hi, I'm Kat Jenkins. I'm Vice President of Strategy at Sanger & Eby, and today I'm going to share with you 3 top tips for search engine optimization, or SEO, which is, of course, the process of making your site more visible to search engines like Google. Tip number 1. Choose your keywords wisely. You can only optimize your site for a limited number of keywords, so you want to make sure that they're ones that actually are relevant to your target audience. Think about how they talk about your product or service and make sure that those are the terms that you're using when you optimize your content. You can also evaluate your competitor sites to see what keywords and phrases they're ranking well on and use that to influence and also create some additional ideas as well. The next thing that you need to do with choosing your keywords is to make sure that it's actually something that people are searching for. So there are some great tools that you can use to evaluate the keyword volume or search volume, which is essentially how often people look for that keyword. There's Ubersuggest, there's SEMrush, there's Moz. Those are all great tools that you can use for this. Tip number 2 is to know what matters. So things like the page title, the meta description tag, not the meta keyword tag, which can actually get you into trouble, but the meta description tag, the open graph tags, page headlines, page subheads, and of course the actual content or text on the page as well as things like the alt tags for your images. So there's some content in those image tags as well. That's another opportunity for your keyword. Tip number 3 is to make sure that you are writing your content for people, not for machines. Today's search engine algorithms are really smart, and they actually, instead of indexing long lists of keywords, they scan content more like human beings do. So if you're writing great content that's designed for your target audience, that uses your keywords and doesn't repeat them a whole bunch of times, but uses them appropriately as you would when you were speaking to someone that you were selling to, then you are well on your way to getting great visibility in internet search engines like Google. You can learn more at sangereby.com and feel free to ask us a question. Thanks.